Good morning, everyone. So one thing I've been doing is I have an older computer that died, and I was able to get it running long enough to copy things off that I need. And what I found was I've got like 200 and some messages in Winlink Express there that I want to import over to my new Winlink Express. Um, I'm going to show you the process using sent items to export, and then I'm going to import in the ones from my other one. But I want to show you how you do this. And I'll also show you how to import your contacts. So on your older computer, the computer you want to get the messages from, first thing you'll do is you will click on the folder, and then you'll do a select all. So in my case, it's like Control A or Command A or something if you're on a Mac. Not sure how you do it on a Mac. So then you come down here and you go to Export Messages, and you're going to click Browse. And let's see. So I will. And then you save it. And then you click Export. And so it tells you, hey, I successfully exported 47 messages to export messages sent items to. So when you go to your new computer, you're going to come up to Message, and you're going to import messages, and you're going to click Browse. Now in my case, I don't want send items to, I want this one here because I'm pulling in from my old computer. So you'll click Open, and you'll click Import, and then it imported in. It tells you when they were exported. So I did this at 12:58 this morning. I exported them. I had 127 of them, and I imported all those in. So now the contacts. Contacts is a little different. So you have to actually double click on the contacts area, or well, right click on the contacts area. And then you're going to click on Import Export. So I'm going to do the import first. And then these are my contacts here. I saved them last night. And then you click Next. And it should all just be automatic. So it says 29 new contacts were added, 6 duplicate entries were ignored, 0 invalid entries were discarded. So because I've been using Winlink Express, I had some of these in here already. So now I have all of the people I've contacted in Winlink. To export it, just simply, if it's something that already exists, you'll get that prompt, and you go ahead and click OK, and you export 41 contacts. So that's just a quick little video on how to import and export into Winlink Express. I found this, or I had asked about it on the Winlink Programs group because I have Winlink on like 3 separate computers, and the problem with Winlink is once you download your messages, they're downloaded, they're no longer available on any servers. So this is just a way of making sure that you get all your messages to all your computers. There are other ways of doing it. You can share the same data folder and do it that way. The problem with that is only one can access it at a time. So this is just another way of making it happen. All right. Thank you.